In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create like this CV easily in Microsoft Word. So first of all, go to Insert and add this shape here. Go to Shape Format. Set the shape size 11.83 by 3.24. Then change the color and adjust the shape as I did. Again go to Shapes and add this shape here. Set shape size 3.44 by 2.66. Reduce thickness of shape and flip horizontal. Adjust it at the right corner and change the color. Now insert picture. Crop to round shape and adjust it. Insert a text box. Remove background color and border. Enter your name. Increase font size and make it bold. Now add your contact details here like your contact number, email address, etc. Now we'll insert icons here. So for the contact number, just go to icons and search for phone. Same as it is, just add icons for email and location as well. Go to shapes and add this line here. Copy the name, replace with skills and decrease the font size to 20. You can enter here your skills. Same as it is, add language and hobbies. So now this part is done. Let's start this. Simply add here a black line. Copy name, replace it with summary and decrease the font size. Enter your summary here. Now you need to add here experience. You can write as per your work experience. I'll simply copy and paste here to show you. After that, add education. Enter your education details. So here your CV is ready. Hope it will help you and you'll like this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel so far, kindly do subscribe to get such useful videos. See you in next video. Bye bye.